What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop and PC. So let me directly get into a step. Sometimes if our keyboard is not working, the on-screen keyboard is going to fix the issue where you can use it. So let me directly get into this. All you have to just go over here, search for the settings over here like this, and we need to go over here and navigate to the accessibility over here at the bottom left. And right now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the keyboard. Just select this one, and right now from here what we need to do is we have to scroll down, and there is an option called on-screen keyboard, and we have to turn this on. So right now over here, as you can see, the screen keyboard is right now it is popping up. And also apart from this, you can also just press Windows, Control and O in order to turn this on as well. So apart from moving all these steps, you can press the shortcut that is all about Windows, Control and O over here on the keyboard. So that's going to give you the on-screen keyboard like this. So you can close this after the use, and that's all you have to try. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.